Hey guys, what's going on? Steve Cronin. So in this video I'm going to announce that I'm going to be taking a break 30 days from nootropics. Why? That's coming up. So this channel is all about increasing your performance in your professional lives, whether that be work or school, and sometimes this includes taking cognitive enhancing drugs or nootropics. I've been reviewing nootropics on this channel for over a year now, and I've been taking nootropics almost every day for well over 12 months, probably like 15, 16 months now. And I've been taking nootropics for years, but I've been really amping up since I've been starting this YouTube channel. And so I really want to take a break for 30 days, just to see really how my brain functions over the next month without taking any nootropics. Now, I have made a video in the past, like when to take nootropic breaks, why people want to take breaks, maybe like shorter breaks or like cycling through various nootropics, because you know, one of the many reasons you might want to take a break is certain nootropics stop working after a while, right? The effects plateau, and you're not going to notice them as effectively as you would if you just pulsed them, right? Anyway, that's a different video, but for me, I really want to take a month off. That means no choline supplements, no aniracetam, right? No Nexus, no phenylpiracetam, no L-theanine, nothing. I'm also not taking any supplements either, right? So no pre-workouts, no Tribulus, nothing. In fact, the only thing that I'm taking that probably could be considered a nootropic, that I personally consider a nootropic, is coffee, right? Bulletproof coffee specifically. I've taken breaks from bulletproof coffee before, and I'm a long-time avid coffee drinker, and so I know how ineffective I am without that stuff. And yeah, so bulletproof coffee is really the only nootropic I'm going to be taking over the next 30 days. Otherwise, nothing at all. I will keep you posted and let y'all know in 30 days time how this works out for me. Did I like it? Did I not like it? Would I recommend it? But don't worry about the review. I'm still gonna have nootropic reviews coming out. There's still a bunch of stuff I've used that I have made videos that I'm gonna post on, or I still need to make videos on. So y'all probably won't notice at all that I'm not, like, I will be making nootropic reviews over the next month, even though I'm not taking nootropics. So don't worry about that at all. Just let me know. By the way, let me know in the comments below, have you taken a nootropic break before? If you're like an avid nootropic user, have you had to take a break before? I'm really curious, let me know if y'all have results. I'd like to hear them. That's it for now, guys. Subscribe for future videos. That's all, and I will see you later.